All right, guys, this is my review of the 16-piece motorcycle LED lighting kit from QIRUIMY. This thing is super cool. This is the box that it comes in, so it kind of gives you an idea on what you can do. But basically, I'm going to show you the basics of this kit and how simple it's going to be for you to use. First of all, you have 16 different strands. And there's different sizes. These are the LED lights, and they're super flexible and super malleable, and they stick. So there's tape on the back. All you do when you find the spot you want to stick it on is you just rip that tape off and stick it on. So here's the cool thing about it. It all runs into one strand here. And then it's super easy to install. Basically, you have, let's see, you got 3 wires at the end. The A is your white. That's going to go into positive. The B is your black. That's going to go into negative. And then the red is C, and that's going to go into positive. So the red and white go into positive. The black goes into negative on your bike. The cool thing is this is interchangeable here. So where these come into one strand, you can undo this. And if you just want to plug one of these strands in, you can. Or you can use all 16. Or you can take off a few if you just want to use like 3, 5, or 10. The cool thing about these, you got a remote. So once you have this all set up, you have a remote that allows you to pick, I think they say it's like 16 million different colors, but basically anything on the RGB spectrum you can use. The other thing is, in order to adjust it, you can actually download the app on your phone. So all you do is scan that QR code, and the app is going to download right onto your phone. So you can adjust the color that way. But it doesn't stop there, because you also have this keychain that you can click down to have quick buttons on there that'll allow you to turn it on to your settings. So you can basically, the cool thing about this kit is it's fully customizable to your bike. Whether you want all 16 of these strands, or maybe you just want, a few. Either way, they're super flexible. There's tons of different colors you can use, and you can basically get your bike to look any way you want. That's one of the reasons I think LED lights are super cool. I mean, I have them in my room. I have them outside of my house. I'm installing them for my porch lights just because you can shift vibes constantly. So that's my review of that. These look like they're going to be pretty fun to use. I would say if you're looking for motorcycle LED lights, these could be the ones you're looking for.